Hi everyone, my name is Nathaniel McGee, and I'm really excited to be in this class. And so for this video, introduction video, I made one earlier this week, and in the video I talked about how my wife was going to go into labor. And since we're in the hospital now with our first child, Elliot Joe McGee, I figured I'd make her part of the video and I'd shoot a second video. Interesting things about me. I live in eastern Kansas. We're right now in Olathe, Kansas at the hospital, and um, I have taught for 7 years. Started my first 2 years of my career in Winfield, Kansas as the agriculture education teacher there. And then now I teach at Central Heights High School for the last 5 years, which is a small 2A school south of Ottawa, where I'm also the ag teacher and I'm a full-time bus driver. I went to Kansas State University, graduated in 2013. My wife is a fifth grade teacher at Osawatomie, and she also graduated from Kansas State, so we're big Wildcat fans. As far as other things about my professional life, like I said, I'm an agriculture education major and enjoy teaching a wide variety of classes, everything from introduction to agriculture to welding and ag mechanics classes as well. Short-term goals. To be honest with you, the reason why I am started this graduate degree is to be able to move over on the salary schedule. I knew I was going to get ready to start a family, and I needed to find a way to make a little more money. As far as long-term goals, I look to be a principal someday. Not necessarily anytime soon, but maybe within the next 10 years or so. I really still enjoy teaching quite a bit. And then what I hope to learn from this course, because I'm an electives teacher, I really don't have a whole lot of experience with a planned curriculum and or a curriculum that kind of a departmental curriculum. Everything that I teach, I came up with, or I purchased, or I went to a workshop for. So I'm interested to see how you can teach a planned curriculum or a departmental curriculum and still make it original as a teacher. So I'm interested to know about that. Look forward to a great semester and getting to know each and every one of you.